You have the power to give someone the greatest gift in the world, life. Talk to your family about organ donation. Talk to your family about donating life.
Okay, let's say this is a general power of attorney. Giving someone a general power of attorney gives them virtually unlimited access to your personal affairs. It's like handing them the keys to all that is yours, including your good name. You won't want to give it out very often, and if you do, it should always have a termination date. It's usually safer to go with a special power of attorney, one for a specific purpose, to be used